Hey, welcome to Arbery Digital Experiences update from the forest. I'm Tad Reeves, Principal Architect at Arbery Digital. Today, I'm not in my usual haunts. As you can tell, I'm not on a mountain bike trail. This is one of the many greenways here in the Raleigh-Durham area, North Carolina. I've been on site for the past week, talking with a customer. We've been doing what is generally my favorite project type of all time, which is to figure out what is the next step for a customer who has been running AEM for a long time. And is it the right call to stay on the current platform? Because AEM 6.x, as everybody should know, is a ridiculously powerful platform, extremely flexible, and can do a lot of things. But aside from that, we've got a lot of other options these days, and that Adobe kind of unprecedentedly has 3 entirely separate, totally supported digital experience platforms in AEM 6.x, AIM as a cloud service, and edge delivery services, which can be run in a number of different also supported mechanisms, such as document-based with Google Docs or SharePoint, Markdown, or the fabulously new and hasn't yet been discussed document authoring interface, which I'm lucky enough to be working on with a customer right now. And it's fabulous. You're going to be finding out a lot more about it in the future. I'm absolutely going to be doing a podcast about it in the future. But for right now, just know that it's really awesome and brings with it a number of awesome opportunities to stitch together the best fit technologies in Adobe Space. So one of those options is obviously continuing to run AEM by yourself, because AEM 6.x, as I said, is powerful, but is also soon going to be being updated, because for a long time it's been running on Java version 8 and Java version 11, which came out a really long time ago, like before the War of 1812 kind of a thing. Now, Adobe, because of security vulnerabilities, it's going to be updated to run on JDK 17 and JDK 21, as with the cloud service. We'll be finding all about that at adaptTo, which is coming up very shortly. So I'm on my way home right now from Raleigh-Durham, and I basically get to sleep for a couple hours, wake up, and get myself out to the airport. After which I fly via Istanbul to Berlin for the adaptTo conference, and I get to see a bunch of folks there. So very likely by the time I finish editing this thing, I'm gonna be on a plane on the way across the pond. So on that, we're soon gonna find out about what is the upgrade gonna be like for AEM 6.6. What new features, if any, are going to be offered? What advantages or drawbacks would there be to that sort of a deployment paradigm? How can it hook into other really nifty things like StreamX? We're going to find out all about that at the adaptTo conference, in addition to a bunch of other really awesome topics, things like how to use the dynamic media APIs with some real-world experience from Georg from NetCentric. A bunch of things about the developer experience on AIM as a cloud service, a bunch of things about things like the extensions in AIM as a cloud service, Sling Lambda for edge delivery, which is a nifty talk that I'm looking forward to from David Boschart and Carl Pauls and Carson. There's a bunch of really neat talks that I'm really looking forward to. It's like 30 different tracks. I can't wait to meet everybody there. And obviously, now I'm on the hook for doing a similar rundown of adaptTo whilst on a bike, but I'll have to do that in the Tiergarten or the Grünwald or some forest in the Berlin area. We'll see how that pans out, but there we go. I'm excited for this space right now, because, like I said, it is the opposite of drudgery right now. But see you again when we talk next time.